Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. Today we're gonna talk about relative and absolute references. We start with relative references using example to count profit. To count profit, we want to deduct expenses from income. So our formula is very simple. From B3 cell, we have to subtract the value from C3 cells. And we can this formula copy down, but our formula is changing because we have different result in different cells, and when we are watching our formula, it's referencing B3 cell and C3 cell, but in reality she is referencing the cell that is 2 cells to the left and 1 cell to the left. And when we check the last formula, we can see B14 minus C14, but it's still the 1 cell to the left and 2 cells to the left. And this is how relative referencing is working. It's moving with formula, it's moving with a cell. So when we copy, move cell with formula, the referencing will move also. But we don't always want to our formula to behave in this way. So we have the second example to show an absolute referencing. In our second example, we want to count tax for products. So we have price and we have one simple tax percent, and to count tax for every product, we have to multiply the price times our tax. But it's important when we are going to copy our formula down that we don't want to tax cell reference move. So for G2 cell, we really want the G2 cell to move down with formula, but with J2 cell, we want to lock our formula to this one cell. She can't move from here, so we can do it pressing F4 key just to add $2 signs, one in front of column name and one in front of row number. And when we lock our reference, it won't change. Doesn't matter where we copy our formula, where we move our formula. So we are copying, moving our formula down, and in the last cell G2 change into G7 because it's relative, so it's always will be referencing cell that is 1 cell to the left. But J2 reference stay in the same place because we add dollar signs to lock it on this one cell, and it will not move from this cell.